Yes, the miev and the C0 and the Ion are cars that are rusting like hell. But you can fix it. Yes, people, the miev, the C0 and the Peugeot Ion, the triplets, they are rusting pretty badly because the manufacturer doesn't give them a rust treatment. So if you are driving on roads with a lot of salt and do nothing about it, it's gonna look like shit. So you can do two things. Otherwise, you give it to a shop that can fix it for you. It's gonna cost you around 500 euros, or you can do it yourself for maximum 50 euros. You go to the shop and you buy a spray box to take the rust off, to dissolve the rust, and you spray it on and you wait like 1 hour to dry it, and then you use a box that has anti-rust cover. So it looks like a thick paint. It's just to protect it. It looks like paint that it's painting like a plastic cover, and you have it in white and you have it in black. So I spray all my car with this on the inside of the wheels and on the back and the suspension. And my car is 5 years old and looks like new. So that's the tip of the day. Subscribe, people. See you soon.